Hello, my dear children. Today in English, we are going to learn a new lesson all about glass. Glass is one of the most beautiful substances that we see around us. Just take a look around yourself. You will see many beautiful things that are made from glass, such as light bulbs, bottles, jars, glasses, reading glasses, marbles, window panes, etc. There are many more things like some attractive showpieces which are made from glass. They look very attractive. Now, do you know where does this glass come from? Let us understand. How is glass made? The glass that is used to make so many everyday things is a man made material, so it is not found in nature, but it is artificially made by man. Can you guess what it is made from? It may seem unbelievable, but do you know that this clear and transparent, smooth looking material is made from sand? Yes, the sand that we find on beach, it is made from the same sand. Now, to make glass, a mixture of clean white sand is used. So, white clean sand is used, and in that white clean sand, chemicals like soda and lime are mixed. Now, this mixture is heated in a furnace. Furnace means an enclosed structure in which heat is produced. Okay, so something which is used to melt metals like gold or silver or to heat things is known as a furnace. This mixture is heated in a furnace till it turns into hot liquid glass. When it cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. So, when glass is hot, it is soft and liquidy. And when it turns cold, it is stiff and hard. How is glass shaped? Once glass has become cold, stiff, and hard, it is not possible to shape it. Glass is brittle. Brittle means things which can break easily. Now, if you take a glass or a glass plate, anything, any article which is made from glass, and you accident it, what happens to the glass? Yes, it breaks into pieces, which means it is brittle, it can easily break. Glass can't be shaped while it is cold because it is hard and it can break easily. So it should be shaped while it is hot and in a liquid state when it is soft and hot. It looks like this when it is hot. Okay? It looks like a liquid gold. See how shiny it is? Like a yellow and orange color. It has to be shaped into different articles when it is still hot and soft. Very hot glass is more like a liquid. You can pour it, mold it, roll it, press it, or even blow it to make variety of shapes. Okay, so you can make variety of shapes with the use of this molten glass when it is in the liquid state. It is like a thick liquid, like a thick oil consistency. Very hot glass is poured into molds and hardened to make articles of various shapes and sizes. It can also be rolled out to make a flat sheet of glass. In another process, molten glass is floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheets of even thickness. Gobs of hot liquid glass can be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses, and other objects. Liquid glass can also be drawn out into very thin fibers or glass wool. Some properties of glass. Glass has many useful properties. It is transparent, which means you can see through glass. It is strong and hard. You can put a lot of load on it. It is impermeable. Impermeable means when you pour water into a glass, it will not seep through it. It will not allow water or other liquids to pass. Okay, so it can hold water in itself. It does not get soggy or stained. So if you pour colored liquids into a glass, it will not take its color. Let's say you drink a coke in a glass, the glass will not turn black. So this is a very useful quality of a glass. Glass has no effect on the food, water, or other substances stored in glass containers. So, whatever you eat in the glass containers, once you wash it and clean it properly, it becomes as good as a new glass. In other words, it doesn't impart a smell or taste on them. Ordinary glass has a smooth surface and it can be washed easily. And last but not least, important is the fact that it looks beautiful. Glass is a very beautiful substance. It is shiny, glossy looking, and many fancy articles are also made from glass. No wonder then that it is used to make so many things. Colored glass. Ordinary glass is colorless, but it is possible to produce colored and transparent glass by using different combination of chemicals in the glass making process. So, while the glass is made, some chemicals are added into the glass to give it a color. And like this colored glass is made of different colors. You will find some tinted bottles. Glass can be given many beautiful colors like blue, violet, turquoise, ruby red, pink, amber. Amber is the color which is the shade of a yellow. Then orange, deep yellow, purple, amethyst. Amethyst is also a color from the purple family. Then dark green, even black and white. So you see many colors can be given to the colored glass. Glass can be colored into many ways. You can see over here there are so many marbles with beautiful colors. There's blue, red, green, yellow. There are so many colors and it looks very beautiful. Stained glass. Colored glass is used to make beautiful pictures, especially in window panes. So, such windows, you will find such windows in churches mostly, where colored glasses are used. Okay, this is the stained glass. It is used in window panes. Such windows are known as stained glass windows. So, windows which have colored glass are known as stained glass windows. They are seen mostly in churches. See, many colors are there in such kind of windows. There's red, green, blue, brown. Colored glass can also be used to make beautiful sculptures or decorative articles. It is also possible to paint on glass using special chemicals and processes. So, as you can see, this picture is painted on a glass. You get special glass colors which can be used to paint on glass. If you use normal colors, they won't stay on a glass, but a special set of glass colors is available which you can use to paint glass. It is a form of art. Children, do you know that we can recycle glass? Yes, it can be recycled just like plastic. Another unique feature of glass is that it is 100% recyclable. Old glass can be used to make new glass any number of times. Recycling glass in this manner is much cheaper than new glass from raw materials. So, whenever we drink any juice which is from a glass bottle, instead of throwing it out, we can put it to recycling. So, these bottles are taken for recycling. The old bottles are melted first. First, they are cleaned properly, then, they are melted. And this molten liquid is again used to make new glass. And the process continues on and on, n number of times. Recycling glass is also very cheap instead of making new glass. Okay, it requires much less heat less heat is needed, and a lot of energy is also saved. If you recycle even a single glass bottle, do you know you can save enough energy to power a color TV for at least 20 minutes? So, next time you throw away a glass bottle, you should think twice. Instead of throwing it out, you can give it for recycling. So, glass is a very valuable substance. Once it is recycled, it becomes as good as new. And some decorative articles, some glasses, and some jars, glass plates, etc., can be made from this recycled glass. So, I hope that you have understood this lesson. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Bye.